Welcome back. I am hanging out at La Tostaderia with Chef Fernando. This guy's got a story that you will love. Comes from Mexico, goes to Canada, opens a taqueria, comes down to the United States, opens a carnitas joint here in Grand Central Market, then goes to culinary school, elevates himself in the world of food, and opens up La Tostaderia.
Really fresh seafood, great ingredients, and they definitely take their time with every plate.
It's a cross between a great ceviche joint and a taco stand and a tostada stand. So he tells me that he makes a burger.
Patrona burger at the window.
The Patrona burger is delicious, combination of cheese and shrimp and aioli.
It's not your typical seafood burger, what you get in a lot of other restaurants.
It can't be beat, it's delicious.
He says if I don't love the burger, he's gonna buy free lunch for all my crew. I hate the burger.
Ah.
All right, what's first?
Okay, mango, red bell pepper, chives, and then
Let me guess, cilantro.
cilantro, exactly.
Can't believe your middle name's not cilantro.
Apple cider vinegar, salt, agave nectar.
Okay.
Avocados from the capital of the avocado, Michoacan.
You just drop Michoacan in as often as you can, don't you?
I love my steak.
I know you do.
So you just toss it, put
Okay.
all together.
All right, time for the burger?
Yeah. Wild Mexican shrimp.
Not frozen.
No frozen.
Okay.
Makes big difference.
Makes a huge difference.
Salt, pepper, butter. The bun also is Oaxaca cheese.
Oaxaca cheese is like Jack mozzarella.
Yeah.
That's gonna be kind of what actually holds this burger together.
Yeah.
It's like the duct tape in Mexican food.
Now we got the buns,
Okay?
chipotle aioli,
And before culinary school, he called that chipotle mayonnaise.
lettuce, tomato. Now we have our shrimp cook with the Oaxaca cheese melting. Onion. We're gonna use the avocado mango radish.
As much as I think I'm gonna love this, I'm still gonna tell you I hate it, so you gotta feed my crew.
Shredder potatoes. This is for the crunchiness. Done.
Haven't had to bust out the hunch in a while. This one might deserve it. I got good news and I got bad news.
Tell me.
Good news is that's fantastic. The bad news is the crew's hitting the vending machine. When you bite into it, you get the saltiness of the cheese, the texture of the cheese, the shrimps cook perfectly, and then all the accoutrement, the shredded lettuce, the chipotle mayo, the tomato, the raw onion, the phenomenal salsa with the mango and the avocado. I pride myself in my burgers. I'm known for my burgers. That right there, in my expectation level of burgers, that is about as high as they go.
Thank you.
Outstanding.
Thank you.
Patrona burger?
The bread is really moist. It's got some nice aioli sauce on it. It's really tasty.
You can tell the seafood, it's not frozen.
All these extra little toppings on it makes it the bomb.
You order the fish tacos out.
You come to a market like this, you stereotype that it's not that wow factor. Yeah. This is like high-end, fancy restaurant, elevated Mexican food.
Completely unexpected.
La Tostaderia, fresh as can be. It's everything that you need, basically.
I got some place for you. Take it home. And anytime when you see my place, you're gonna remember about me.
I won't forget you, my brother. You know I love this. That's awesome. Thank you.
Thank you.
Huh?